Well, I thought I'd start you off with a little look at the frozen Pima tuning at the spillway where the ducks walk on the fish in Linesville. So here's the stats on this computer here. As you can see here, uh, installed RAM 6 gigabytes. And you might be thinking, well, why are you doing this on this antique computer? It's an old i3. Where is it? Right here. You haven't seen half of it. Wait till you see the computer. But I'll show you why. So there it is, 911 usable gigabytes on this drive, and it's really only a third full. So yeah, sure, after I put the RAM in it, the drive will probably go, but what the heck. So I'll give it a try. The RAM I got here was dirt cheap, and as long as it works, we'll see what happens. So hopefully this will be a short video. That's the kiss of death. Alright, so this was one of those Best Buy specials I bought for my daughter years ago. And the hinges broke, and the monitor wouldn't stay up, and then the monitor broke because they were forcing it. And I took the little monitor off and everything. Here's the monitor cables, and here's the Wi-Fi antenna, and I just taped that against the wall. And this is what I use as my shop computer, and it's kind of worked fine. I have a little dongle right over here that I use for my wireless keyboard. And that RAM there I got for $20 for 16 gigs, so let's see how that works. And I think this is a pretty easy computer. Oh yeah, the battery's dead, so it has to remain plugged in. Use a little wrist strap. Look at all the dirt. Okay. So, here's the RAM here. And here's the RAM here. Let me pop one of these out and make sure that they look the same. They sure do. This one's 2 gigabytes. And this one doesn't say, but this one would have to be the 4 because it says it's 6. Now, there is a DOS command that you can use, and it will tell you what the most amount of RAM you can put in here is. And actually, I believe it told me 32, and I wasn't going with that. There we go. These are just generic. They had good ratings on Amazon. Where else, you know? There. I don't know why it came out so easy like that. Alright, so we just tuck it in there, push it down until it clicks, make sure the sides are in. Same thing with this one, and you can see the pins are a little offset, so it would only go one way. Like, it'll go that way, but this one won't go that way. So there we have it. Why doesn't this... there we go. Get it in a little further. There we go. All right. But then they're all clipped on. Nothing here looks like needs any immediate attention, so we're putting it back together. I'm going to put these in here to get them out of my way. You can go over there. Go over here. Do-do-do-do. Alright, let me unplug myself from here. And give me a second and we'll be back on the screen. Information. Alright, installed memory, 16 gig. Alright, well that's the desk. Time will tell. Let this run a little bit and see if I notice any difference, and I'll get back to you. But other than that, that's a simple upgrade for putting some RAM in your old-fashioned laptop. And so you know, coming down the pike, I have another laptop I have to work on and need some motherboard. I think it'll be a little more expensive than RAM. So thanks for watching.